Imagine a future where robots that resemble humans are not just a figment of our imagination, but are actively transforming the workplace. These humanoid robots are making their way into factories, not with the intention of replacing human workers, but rather to collaborate with them. The integration of artificial intelligence, robotics, spatial computing, and digital twins is ushering in a significant change in how we think about automation. These human-like machines possess the ability to adapt to their surroundings, learn new tasks, and scale operations seamlessly without causing disruptions. But here's where it gets intriguing. The real innovation lies not just in the technology itself, but in the collaboration it fosters. We're on the brink of a new era where humans, humanoid robots, and intelligent AI systems will function as a cohesive team. So, how do we navigate this new landscape? The promise of increased flexibility, reduced disruption, and enhanced scalability is now within reach. Until recently, the concept of human-shaped robots, complete with heads, arms, and legs, was largely theoretical. However, companies like Figure AI, based in California, are now producing these robots with plans to manufacture an impressive 20,000 units annually. This development is set to revolutionize various industries, including manufacturing, life sciences. Thanks to advancements in sensors and hardware, these robots can replicate human movements and gestures. They are no longer mere machines. They are autonomous entities equipped with cognitive abilities, merging artificial intelligence with robotics. This evolution represents a significant leap forward in AI, marking a new phase of automation on the factory floor. These humanoid robots can be introduced into existing operations without the need for extensive renovations, allowing them to take on undesirable, hazardous, labor-intensive, or repetitive tasks. Organizations can start with a small number of humanoids focused on specific activities and gradually increase their numbers as needed. When production demands shift, companies will no longer need to reconfigure their entire setup. Instead, they can retrain both their human workforce and humanoid robots to adapt to new tasks within flexible work environments. Exploring the pathways to true collaboration is essential. However, unlocking the full potential of humanoid robots requires significant effort. These robots are equipped with a sophisticated array of sensors, controllers, motors, processors, and other hardware. At Capgemini's AI Robotics and Experiences Lab, we are investigating how to leverage our expertise in agentic AI, large language models, computer vision, digital twins, data analytics, robotics, and industry-specific processes to enhance humanoid robots. Our aim is to facilitate the technical convergence of human-centered digital physical interactions among humans, robotic systems, and AI agents. The core of this convergence is a new virtual environment where most digital-human interactions will occur. In this space, unified and pre-trained data models, AI agents, Edge AI, and digital twins will integrate with an interaction layer that utilizes technologies like real-time 3D and spatial computing. Data will be sourced from an aggregation layer that connects various data inputs, including information systems, operational technology, sensors, and machinery. Agentic AI and physical AI will enable seamless digital-physical interactions, allowing virtual AI agents to engage with real-world AI agents embedded in robots. The challenge lies in effectively utilizing technological enablers to maximize the productivity benefits of humanoid robots while minimizing operational disruptions. To tackle this, Capgemini is enhancing a network of interconnected digital twins that mirror physical industrial environments with agentic AI-driven decision-making capabilities. This approach incorporates several key concepts from robotics and AI research, vision, language, action models, which empower agents to comprehend and execute natural language commands within a visual context. reinforcement learning and simulation for real transfer learning, which facilitate knowledge sharing from diverse data sources, such as videos or motion capture, to train in virtual settings and apply that knowledge to real-world situations. Teletraining, which allows a human operator to remotely guide the agent in demonstrating desired actions. System 1 and System 2 reasoning models, which replicate the dual-process architecture of the human brain, enabling both quick, instinctive responses and more thoughtful, deliberate planning. In the factory of the near future, Capgemini envisions a collaborative environment where humans, AI-driven robots, and multi-agent systems work together to boost operational efficiency, precision, and safety. Each participant will contribute uniquely, leveraging their strengths. Human operators will apply their expertise and adaptability to the production process, utilizing spatial computing for guidance and oversight. They will tackle complex tasks that require fine motor skills and critical decision-making. Moreover, humans excel at quickly identifying and resolving unexpected challenges, providing a level of problem-solving acumen that enhances automated systems. Humanoid robots will ensure accurate handling and placement of components, minimizing the risk of damage and ensuring consistency. They can efficiently perform repetitive tasks, increasing throughput and reducing cycle times. By taking on potentially dangerous tasks, these robots will also enhance workplace safety, lowering the risk of injury for human workers. Agentic systems will continuously monitor operational processes and environments to ensure that each step is executed correctly. They will detect deviations, alert the team, and recommend corrective actions to maintain workflow integrity and prevent errors. In time, robots powered by virtual agents will be capable of executing The hybrid workforce model will address critical challenges faced by industrial organizations today, including the need to control costs, attract and retain talent through improved employee experiences, and enhance sustainability. Emerging solutions that build on ongoing digital transformations, such as a well-designed strategy to integrate humanoid robots into the workforce, are vital to meet these challenges. Companies that take the initiative now will reap the greatest rewards. Start innovating today. Lay the groundwork for success. Leading organizations are already undergoing comprehensive digital transformations of their operations, which is crucial for the successful deployment of humanoid robots. Prioritizing these transformations is essential. Don't wait. Humanoid robots are already here and will soon be implemented in real-world settings across various industrial sectors, offering early adopters significant competitive advantages. Businesses cannot afford to delay. Support. Don't replace human workers. The most successful outcomes will arise when humanoids are integrated into teams that also include human employees and multi-agent systems. Now is the time to explore how to best utilize the strengths of each team member. Did you find this discussion engaging? For more insightful articles on innovation, check out Capgemini's publication, Data-Powered Innovation Review, Wave 10, https://skm/www.capgemini.com/insights/research library data-powered innovation review, featuring contributions from leading experts at Capgemini. Discover the transformative potential of generative AI, data platforms, and technology driven by sustainability. You can also explore all previous waves here. https://www.capgemini.com/insights/research library data-powered innovation.